So today we're going to learn what area is in geometry. So the area is the amount of space inside of a shape. So if we wanted, we just learn what perimeter is, which is the outside, the amount of distance on the outside of a shape. Now we want to know how much space is inside of an object. How can we measure that? One way of doing that is by calculating the area. So the way that's calculated in geometry is basically using multiplication. So let's say this was 4 meters, and we know this is 4 meters. To calculate that, we essentially just do 4 times 4, which would give us 16 meters squared. So don't forget the squared. That's how you calculate it. It's always in square units when you calculate an area of an object or shape. So it's a way to calculate the space inside of a shape. So let's say this was 2 meters and this was 4 meters. That would be 2 times 4, which would be not 6, but 8. 8 meters squared. Now with circles, it is a bit different. The formula is, you'll learn this later, but the circumference, the area is equal to pi r squared. So that's a method of calculating the space inside that takes up how much space is taken up inside of this shape. So there's going to be many different formulas for calculating area for many different shapes. You're going to learn it as you continue in the study of geometry. So don't worry, just understand that area is essentially the space, how much space is inside of any shape. Now, we're looking at just 2-dimensional shapes right now, left and right, up and down. There's going to be 3-dimensional shapes. There's going to be different formulas for calculating that as well. But for now, just remember that it's just the amount of space inside of a shape. If this was helpful and you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.